Hello everybody, my name is Mahfouz Rashid and today we will be doing the Master Challenge of Early Math Review on Khan Academy. Let's get started. The pet store sells cats, dogs, cats, and hamsters. This bar graph shows how many of each pet are at the store. How many cats are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cats. So there are 8 cats at the store. Which shape is a hexagon? A hexagon has hex, and hex means 6. So let's look at A. A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So the answer is A. Let's look at B. B has 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's not B. And C has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's not C. The answer is A. What time is it? The time is blank blank AM. Well, let's look at the hour. It's at 1, 1, and it doesn't go after 2. So the time is 1, and then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Time is 1:30 a.m. What shape is a trapezoid? A trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has one pair of parallel sides. Let's look at A. A has one pair of parallel sides, and these will cross. You cross the point right here. Let's look at B. B has 1, 2, 3 sets of parallel sides. So it's not B, and C it doesn't have any because of the triangle. So the answer is A. Fido, Rover, and Buster buried bones in the yard. The bar shows how many bones each dog buried. How many fewer bones did Rover bury than Fido? Rover buried 1, 2, 3 bones, and Fido buried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 minus 3 is... Rewrite it. You can't do 0 minus 3, so you cross the 1, make it 0. And then the 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 3, 7. 7 bones. Which clock shows 1 o'clock? A says 1 o'clock, so the answer is A. And B says 12 o'clock, so it's not B. Yay, we did it! Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and click the bell to get more new videos. Bye, we'll see you on the next episode.